Plan to go to the doctor for a regular oxygen level and pulse rate checkup? Tired of taking appointments all the time? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Niscomed Fingertip Pulse Oximeter FPO-93. This is for a quick use at home. Let us see now what is inside the box. You have the Niscomed Fingertip Pulse Oximeter FPO-93. You get one extra battery with it, and also a small string to make it portable and easy to carry it around. It also has an instruction manual. It is exclusively designed to check the oxygen level and pulse rate at home. It has a dual color LED display and also has an alarm function. Now let us understand how to use it. In order to begin using it, the first step is inserting two AA batteries into the oximeter. Put the cap back on. To begin using the oximeter, hold down on the clamp, put your finger inside and ensure that it reaches the sensor, your nail side facing upward. Release the clamp and then press the power button. The oximeter will switch on and you will see the dual color LED display. The left side shows the SpO2, that is the oxygen level in the blood, while the right side displays the pulse rate. You can now read the respective readings. Once you're done, pull your finger out and it will automatically switch off if no finger is inserted in it for more than 10 seconds. Buy soon to check your pulse rate and oxygen level without going to the hospital any time of the day. This is the Fingertip Pulse Oximeter FPO-93.